Yes, my people, it's Cecil G from AFTV, and you're watching Eddie Vision TV. Love.
Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Eddie Vision TV, the channel where we look at sports differently. First of all, Happy New Year. Hope everybody is okay. Hope everybody is alright. So, no long talking, we're getting into this video. So in this video, I'll be looking at the potential UK players that can add something to this Reggae Boyz team. Who are the players that we should be targeting in 2025? Who are the players that we need to improve the team? So I have a starting 11 for you guys, and also a bench. So there's a lot of players, as you all know, but I think these players are the best in their positions that are currently, I won't say available, but that are eligible to represent Jamaica, because some of them, they might not want to represent Jamaica at this time. So here goes. We have to have a goalkeeper, and Boyce Clark has played a few times, I believe, for Jamaica, but he's still on the fringes. Somebody that will still want to break into this team. He has the quality, but he's not currently a part of the top 3 in terms of goalkeepers right now. For 2025, he will be looking to break into that top 3 goalkeeper pool for the Reggae Boyz. Alright, so this formation, as you can see, 3-4-3. On the right side of the defense, Max Aarons, somebody that has shown interest in the past, and somebody that could help the team tremendously. Bournemouth is with Bournemouth, not playing at this time, out of favor with the coach, but he will be looking to move in this January transfer window. Now this player, quality in England, made the move to Atalanta over there in Italy, and they're now flying at the top of the Serie A. But one thing, this player is not getting any game time. So similarly to Max Aarons, he's at the club is winning, and he's not making appearance. I believe only one appearance thus far for the season. But his quality is a quality centre back, and he's young, I believe just 27, and he could be somebody for the future. Left-sided defense, Tariq Mitchell. Again, Tariq Mitchell, somebody we've been scouting for years now. Quality Premier League level left back, doing well at Crystal Palace, playing games, and they're a decent mid-table team at the moment, winning games and playing good football. So Tariq Mitchell. Right-sided midfielder now, Omari Hutchinson. Yes, a lot of persons might not want to hear that name right now, but he's still eligible. He's not yet played that and got that senior cap for the 3 Lions. So for me, until that happens, there's still hope for Jamaica, and there's still hope for Omari Hutchinson. Right? So Ipswich Town not doing so well, but he's a player that is playing regularly, is a starter in the team, scored against his former club Chelsea in a 2-0 victory the other day. So, he has a quality, but again, not having good quality around him makes a difference, and I believe playing with better players will only improve Omari Hutchinson. He has a talent, but playing in a struggling Ipswich Town, it's very difficult for him to have this certain, to have that that level of output that we expect in terms of goals and assists. He did that in the championship, but now playing in the Premier League, it's a step up. So we see the dip. Lewis Baker, somebody that is close to getting his Jamaican passport, an attacking midfielder, struggled with injuries over the years, but he's still one that can come in. Not the youngest, but he's still one that can come in and add something different in the Jamaican midfield. Jacob Ramsey, a player that I really like, plays at Aston Villa, coming back from injury now, but he's a quality midfielder. And with the likes of Morgan Gibbs-White playing for England, turning his back on Jamaica, a player like this, I believe, is the next best thing as it relates to an attacking midfielder, somebody with guile, somebody with power, and somebody with that skill set that is clearly missing in the Jamaican team. So Jacob Ramsey, the Aston Villa man, would slot in perfectly in our midfield. On the left side, a player that I really rate as well, Arsenal on loan at Fulham, Reece Nelson. Currently out with a long-term injury, but he's a player that is very skillful, very direct, and has a lot of quality that we really need in this Jamaica team. Again, can't say this enough, but we need a player like Reece Nelson out wide, somebody that can take on players and also beat players. And up top, Dwight McNeil, Cameron Archer, and the one, the only, Mason Greenwood. So McNeil, another impressive winger, Premiership level, can get goals, can get assists, can play out wide, can play as a 10. Very creative, very robust, and also has a good shot. Cameron Archer, smaller player in size, but has the ability to get goals. When given enough time, can score goals. A Premiership level player. Thing is, he's always been at a struggling club, so that he finds it very hard to really perform in a struggling club with not the best quality around him. But he's also young and one for the future, somebody that's different from the type of strikers that we have now, and will definitely add something different. Mason Greenwood, we all know the situation at Marseille, doing bits, scoring goals, getting assists, having maybe the best year or best season in a long while. Fan favorite over there in Marseille, and he's only a signature away from representing Jamaica. And we hope to get that update, hope to get that news sometime in the near future. Definitely in 2025, Mason Greenwood will be representing Jamaica. Now, as I said before, there are a lot of players, and I have a bench as well. So on the bench, Jed Spence, Dujan Sterling, Nico O'Reilly, Ellis Sims, and Kyle Walker-Peters. So that 11 should be the first choice as it relates to recruitment for me, with the backup other players, with the backup 5 players being on the bench. So what say you? How many of this 11 should we get? How many should we target? How many of this 11 will definitely help Jamaica immediately if they come home? Let me know in the comment section below. I'm Eddie Gona. Thanks for watching. Always remember to like, share, and subscribe.